Walmart board versus Target board. All right. We are here today at the world's greatest store. Target. Who doesn't love Target? You know what my favorite videos on the internet are?
What?
Those ones where it's like, the guy is like, this is how you save money at Target. And then they like pull into the grocery thing, and then the person comes out and the wife is all upset. Why can't we go inside? You know what I mean?
Yeah,
It's
totally
like,
true.
we're going in to buy one single skateboard. If we come out with $400 worth of stuff, then you know, it's a wild situation. But now, what are we doing today?
We're doing a Walmart versus Target skateboard.
Walmart versus Target? Leave it in the comments below. What's better, Walmart or Target? Where would you rather go?
That angle, though, you can't go under the chin.
Oh, Chloe said she gained 7 pounds. Leave it in the comments below.
8 pounds.
Too far? The chin. We love the chin. Like that angle? Straight to the skateboard section. You need to get on your Gen Z vibe. Millennial Falcon.
I think of a geriatric millennial.
Are you? What am I then?
Grandpa.
Wait, what actually am I?
Oh, I think you.
Hold on, I gotta
think we're
search it.
both that.
Millennial?
Geriatric millennial.
Is that a real thing?
Yeah.
Geriatric millennial?
Wait, I think so. Maybe I'm making that up.
Okay, we need to Google this. We'll be right back.
2 very boring minutes later.
Okay, so the internet says I am a millennial, and so are you. And then she said, well, look up geriatric millennial. And it's just me, but not you.
I'm not. I'm still young.
I'm a geriatric millennial. Soon I'm gonna be swimming in these. Oh, here we go, skateboards. Look at this, boom. Okay, we got 7.75 complete redo skateboard co. The heart supply.
Ripsticks too.
You should learn how to ripstick.
I will.
Beginner versus ripstick, new series coming soon. Santa Monica, California, redo. Metal trucks, got some hairs in the bearings. Kind of like this graphic though. You know what we should do though is this.
What is that?
Real sparking action. If only I could skateboard. But I do have shoes on. I've upgraded from the boot to the shoes. That means good. We're getting closer. We're getting closer to skateboard land.
How much longer do you think?
You know, I don't like to think. This we got 7.5 inches high heart supply.
Have you seen this before?
A jet cart. No, that does look sick. Maybe we should roll that. So, we sticking with the skateboard or what?
Yeah.
Which one do you want?
This one.
You want that one?
Yeah.
This is the last one I would have picked.
Really?
Yeah, Braille skateboarding.
Oh, my cousin watches you.
Yeah, thanks. Yeah, you want a picture? Yeah, let's go. Get in there, Chloe.
Thank you.
You're welcome. $49.99.
Let's get the cheapest one.
Oh, this one's $34.
Oh, yeah,
Oh, the
see?
redo is $34.99.
Yeah, let's do that one.
Oh, yes.
Wait, why would you say that's the last one you would pick?
Because the graphic. Just out of all these graphics, that's the last one I would pick.
Well, let's do this one then.
Okay, should we roll this bad boy too? Universal hoverboard add-on. Oh, you need the hoverboard.
That's cool.
Not today. What? Tesla? My first Model Y?
That's really funny.
Okay, let's get out of here before
Okay.
we buy a Tesla.
Although I do need something
What do you need?
for my children.
What do you need?
I don't remember, but I remember thinking, if I stop somewhere, I need to get it.
I was thinking the same. PlayStation 5? For my dogs? This is what we need, Chloe. PlayStation 5. See that?
You know, if we could turn it into a gaming channel,
Should we start a gaming channel?
I think we have a gaming channel.
We have one?
Yeah.
Maybe we should post. Chloe versus God of War. I like the storyline.
It's so fun.
Okay, so the skateboard is $34.99, but then we go to the checkout and he's like, yeah, on sale for $10.49? $10.49.
It was cheaper than the Walmart board.
Cheaper than the Walmart board, which makes me very concerned about the state of skateboarding. That's instantly where I went. I was like, great, we just saved $25. Not great. Skateboarding is in trouble. Does that just make you instantly go, come on guys, we gotta get more new people out on skateboards. We gotta start skateboard clubs in every skate park everywhere. We gotta stop turning the skate parks into pickleball courts. And I don't even know where my car is.
I know, we're just walking aimlessly.
Well, I got so upset because skateboarding at Target, not that this is like, you know, I also saw on Instagram today that there's like a skate shop that was closing down. I hate it when I see skate shops closing down. We gotta get more people into skateboarding, guys. Let's go. Okay, we're gonna go review these boards. We're going to the skate park. We're gonna have some fun. Skateboarding is about fun. Let's go. We just bought this super sick, what do you even call this?
A $10 board is what we call it.
$10.84, I believe it came out to be, even though it was on the rack for $34.99. It has the skater trainers pre-built in, just like that. But what is this? What brand is this?
This is called Redo.
Redo. I ain't never heard of a redo unless you're playing a game of skate and you're like, redo? But okay, looks sick.
Yeah.
High density wood decks, smooth wheels, fast bearings. So I'm not gonna say anything more. I'm leaving this up to Chloe, beginner skateboarder, to review Walmart board versus Target board. Which store will win? Do we call them stores or do we call them skate shops?
They're not skate shops.
Why do you think that's funny? You
I
think that's
don't
funny?
know.
It is a skate shop. Were you discriminating against Walmart?
I'm sorry.
Hater.
So first thing, I'm gonna take this off.
Yep.
I don't really remember the packaging of this one.
Yeah.
I guess I could look back at that video.
I think it's kind of similar, honestly.
Yeah, I think so too, with the plastic all around it.
Okay, what's occurring here?
I can't get it off.
I think it's that right there.
You would think.
Yeah, you would think, wouldn't
Oh,
you?
okay. That was way easier than I was making it.
Yeah, I guess I do know what I'm talking about. I guess I've unpacked a few of these in my life. Why put that on there? Huh?
So that people can't put it on the floor and skate it and get the wheels dirty.
In the skate shop?
In the skate shop.
53 millimeters?
Oh, there it is. It's always easier than I'm making it.
Yeah. Santa Monica, California, Redo Skateboards.
Okay,
Please make a video. Please send in the sponsor me video.
good.
Plastic on the
Now,
outside. Favorite thing in the whole world.
I need a knife or something. Do you have keys on you?
No, this is part of the video. Like if you can't get the plastic off.
Maybe we just leave it on.
No! Take it off.
Okay.
You'll get it off, don't worry.
Ah, I can't use keys. Are you kidding me?
Okay.
Oh, I got it.
Okay, there, see? I think last time we made this video, a similar video like this, we did like 5 different points. I think that one of them was packaging.
Yes.
So-
Packaging on both of these is a 2.
Yeah,
I think last time I gave it a 3, but this is just not it.
it's getting worse, huh?
Yeah.
I think this is very similar to the Walmart packaging with the plastic, and you have to like try and pry it out from underneath the truck.
Yeah.
It's just not the most fun you've ever had on a weekend.
It's not. Ah!
What do you think about just a plastic bag, Chloe? Halloween is coming up though, are you excited?
I'm so excited. It's my daughter's birthday.
What are you gonna be?
We want to be mermaids, I think.
You and your daughter?
Well, that's what the little one wants. I don't know what the older one. The older one wants to be Coraline, I think.
Who's Coraline?
The creepy doll thing.
Oh, I love it. Me and my wife are also gonna be mermaids. Okay, you pulling that off? Packaging, she says it's a 2.
It's a 2 for sure.
If you get the best beginner complete at brailleskateboarding.com, you don't have to do all this.
No,
It just comes and you just pull it off and you just start skateboarding.
that's right. Saves you time.
It even has redo trucks. Okay, so the number 1 item, packaging, scores a whopping 2.
Yes.
Rotten Tomatoes. Okay, then I think the next one is gonna be like
How it rolls, right?
how it rolls, yeah.
Yeah.
So this is where you give it a roll. Target, Walmart.
This one looks thinner, huh?
Yeah, it does. What do you estimate?
That one looks like a 7.5. This one's 7.75.
Yeah, you're probably right. Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, so grip tape. This one is more grippy
Really?
than this one. Yeah, feel that.
Oh yeah, this grip tape is much better. Redo, first try, much better. Mad Gear Australia. Wow, all the way from Australia, established 2002 versus Redo.
But this is cool. I like the stripes.
Yeah, the stripes are epic. Okay, I think real fast we need to take a couple thumbnails
Okay.
with the board before you scrap it all up with your shredding.
So helmet.
Okay, so good. Give it a shred.
Okay, sorry. Just
You got to put your helmet on?
safety first.
Yeah, be safe out here, kids. Don't play no games. Put your beanie down, put your helmet on. You're good to go. Roll it slow-mo. I'm a rapper.
All right, here we go.
No knee pads, nothing.
Should I put on knee pads?
It's up to you. I mean, you're a daredevil or what?
Yeah.
Okay. So you gave the Target packaging a 2. You didn't really rate the Walmart packaging.
It's a 2.
Both of them a 2.
Yeah.
Okay, even 2. Okay, so we're trying the Walmart board first, it looks like. The reason I like this is because you're a real beginner.
Real beginner for the last 10 years.
Yep, real beginner for life. Beginners for life.
That's right.
Okay, how's that?
Definitely like choppy.
Really?
Yeah.
Like, try to explain it in excruciating detail. Like, explain how it feels. Bearings good, bad?
Okay, so it's like if you're swimming through crystal clear water.
And then a shark bites you.
And then, no, that's like a best beginner complete. This is
What?
like swimming. I know it's Walmart versus Target, I'm just saying. Versus swimming through like mud with some stuff in there, like branches and stuff.
Oh, I see.
You see?
It's not smooth. There's branches. Okay.
Yeah, that's what it feels like.
And you got all that just from that one little push.
Yes. But we loosened the trucks so it turns a little bit easier.
That's true. We have modified this for better rideability.
Okay.
Okay, now you're gonna check the redo. Redo, first try. Wait, let me get in on this. Oh yeah, so good.
So good.
Kickflip, first try. How's that?
So
looks better. Looks smoother.
It is better.
Wow.
It is better.
I'm shocked.
Mm-hmm.
$10 at Target.
And it was cheaper,
Freaking A.
but it does not turn.
It doesn't?
No.
Well, you did loosen the trucks on the other one and not
Yeah.
this one. It's good that you've gotten so good that you know what a turn is.
It's
been a long 8 years.
Good.
You are so good. Don't put yourself down.
Good. So rolling, definitely better.
Yeah, shredding. It's good.
So these wheels are better.
Is it the wheels or the bearings or both?
Or probably the wheels, I think.
Think?
I think they're both ABEC 5 bearings, right?
I don't know. I didn't test the ABEC.
Maybe it is the bearings then.
But what you're saying is the smoothness of it, so rate it.
So the smoothness, this one is 6.
Okay.
That one's a 4.
Wow, 6 and a 4.
Yeah.
Okay.
Team Target.
Okay, so we got the packaging, we got the rideability.
Mm-hmm.
I want you to rate the graphic.
The graphic.
Yeah.
Here's the thing. I hate criticizing someone's artwork because also I know how much work it takes and how much heart and soul goes into making one of these.
Yeah. Chloe puts all her heart and soul into the graphic, then she puts it on the internet, and then it's just like, this sucks, you suck, everything you do sucks. Like, welcome to the internet.
I know.
Where your dreams are crushed.
People say it's terrible all the time.
Okay, well, you don't have to say
But-
it's terrible, you just have to rate it.
Okay, well, I like this one better.
Yeah? Really?
Yeah. It's got
Look
that
at
kind
that
of
dancing
like
robot!
cool 70s vibe, you know?
Yeah.
So
That
I
does look
think
pretty cool.
I think this one is, I don't know.
Rate it.
Okay, this one is a 7.
Okay.
That one is a 6.
7 and a 6. Wow, okay.
Yeah.
Good, I like the ratings.
Yeah.
Okay, I like that.
Yeah.
So next challenge is some trick challenge.
Or turning, I thought.
All right, turn it.
Except for this is a little bit unfair because of the, I keep trying to itch my head and there's a helmet.
And there's a helmet.
there.
We'll grab the skate tool and loosen the trucks up. Okay, let me give it a little test of my own while she's doing that. Kickflip off. Redo. First try. Pretty smooth as well. Mad Gear, Australia. Also first try. Okay, inward heel. Nope, fell. Inward heel. Nope, also fell. Dang, both of them are the same.
You think they're the same?
My trick test rated them the same, yeah. 5 and 5, we'll say. So now you got your skate tool, you got your skateboards. So loosen the trucks as you will, give it a turn, and then give it a rating.
Wait.
The other way. Okay, that's pretty legit. Too legit to quit. How's that feel?
That's better. Okay, this one is not bad.
Yeah, especially for $10. Didn't even say it was on sale, which is the weirdest thing.
I know. Good, not bad, not bad.
Yeah. Okay, so now you're gonna give this one a push and a turn. Wow, look at the steez on that.
Okay,
How you feeling that?
this one is way better still.
Really?
Yeah.
Explain to the people.
The turn is smoother versus like a shark.
Versus like a shark.
I don't know how to.
Well look, this does have like legit metal trucks.
Right.
And this one has.
Oh, yeah, plastic trucks.
Yeah, you know what's interesting though is I know that this board cost more than $10 to make.
Absolutely.
So they're selling it for $10. They're selling this probably at a $20 loss.
At least.
So you just know there's no survivability in that. So
Right.
this is already like out of business, bankrupt, defunct.
until our video.
Yeah, that's right. And then everybody will buy the board for $10 and Target will never stock it again, which is what happens. Okay, so rate it.
Okay,
What's
so
the numbers?
turning, this one is a 4.
Walmart a 4,
This one is a 6.
Target a 6.
Yeah,
I feel like that's been the whole sequence of this video.
yeah,
One is a 6 and one is a 4.
that's right.
Okay, I like it.
Yeah.
What else? What other test you got?
Wait, what were the other ones that we did?
I got a test. Shove it test.
I'd rather try an ollie.
Okay, Ollie test.
Okay. Although, remember when I used to be able to do a shove it easy?
Do I remember? Not only do I remember, I think about it every day. When I wake up and I think about Chloe's shove it.
But then I lost it.
Yeah, I don't know what happened. Maybe it's when you forgot to practice.
Yeah.
Practice
that's
makes
true.
perfect. Just try an Ollie, I guess.
Okay.
Yeah, I love how you think an Ollie's so much easier, but you can do a shove it easier, actually.
I know.
Yeah, practice that. Now you gotta practice the drag. Yeah. Whoa, huge air. That was good, you nailed it.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I nailed it. Okay, should I try the other one?
Yeah, first try Ollie. No way you did not just drop your phone. Get that phone, get it out of there.
Okay.
You didn't do the practice steps. But okay, that was your first try, so I guess you have to rate it.
My first try ollie.
Yeah,
This one's better.
it is better, right?
It's way better.
Yeah,
cheaper.
plastic trucks are not good.
Yeah.
But it's not really cheaper though. That one is actually $14.99 retail. This one is $34.99. But somehow,
I thought that one was $19.99.
oh yeah, maybe you're right.
Yeah. But somehow this one is way better.
Wow. Okay, that was legit good.
I haven't warmed up yet, so I'm like rusty.
Right. Wait till she gets real warmed up. Then that's when it really starts to happen.
Then at least 1 inch off the ground.
Yeah.
One more and then we rate the whole thing.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. I think we know where this is going.
Where?
The Target one is a better board.
Whoa!
Yeah.
I'm shocked. That's all you're gonna say?
Yeah.
Okay. That was insightful and delightful. Okay, but how does the Target board relate to the Best Beginner Complete? Oh, a whole new video.
Whole new video. Let's do it.
Leave it in the comments below. Where are you gonna shop? Target or Walmart? And what is your favorite skate shop?
Braille skateboarding.
Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes you, learn to ride a skateboard. We got everything you need at brailleskateboarding.com. We'll see you in the next video.